Hey guys, what's going on? Ronnie Rocksmith here with USA Digi. So today I just wanted to talk to you about something that influences my marketing business, my digital marketing, and that is direct mail marketing. So that is two totally different things, but that influences my marketing techniques, right? And I'm going to show you how I do that. So it's going to be pretty cool. We're also going to talk about cotton. So in case you're interested in what that's all about, stick around and watch the whole video, right? So before we get started in talking about this stuff, let me just briefly introduce what I do, because there's a lot of people out there that don't know what I do for a living, right? I mean, my close marketing buddies and my friends from school pretty much kind of know, I think. I do two different types of business models in my business. Number one, I do product launching, right? So I create my own products via the training videos or some software that I'm going to have developed and launched. That is one thing, and I launch those on platforms such as Warrior Plus and JVZoo, right? So the second part of my business model is affiliate marketing. So basically I'm promoting other people's product and I get a commission when I make a sale. And I promote this through email marketing, YouTube, and some other different platforms. Okay, so that's basically what I do. Now, I have one more part, but I haven't started it yet, and that is helping local businesses here. I'm all set up to do that. I'm just waiting on a few more things, but that's what I'm going to be doing locally here. I'm going to be helping local businesses get more leads for their business, okay? So let's get started and talk about what we're going to talk about today, and that is direct mail marketing. So I'm sure that you might have heard of this guy before, right? My Pillow Guy? So this is Mike Lindell. That name may be familiar for you because you might have seen the commercials, right? So what I want to talk about is this is called direct mail marketing. You get stuff in the mail and it's pitching you something to buy, right? An offer. So let's take a look at this and how we can relate this to a marketing business that is just digital marketing, which means it's specifically online. Now, this guy does, of course, have a website, right? That's online, but he's still using direct marketing because, for the simple fact, direct marketing still freaking works, right? And that's a lot of things that marketers these days, they're not using that format. They're just using strictly digital. Like, how can I market to my audience online? But they don't even think about the aspect of this. Now, there is one marketer that does exactly this, and his name is Omar Martin, right? And here's a postcard from Omar promoting their commission expo, right? They're having an expo in September 25th in Florida. So what I want to talk about, though, how does this influence my digital marketing? So let's look at these things, put them together, and hopefully you'll get a little bit of, learning experience from this if you're interested in the digital marketing space, right? And how it works. So let's take a look at this, okay? First, this thing is full of color psychology, right? Color psychology. Check it out. So first of all, let's look at the color schemes. So we got pink and blue, right? Very complementary colors. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So we got purple, a little bit of yellow up here, and then we got mint green, right? More complementary colors. These colors jump out at you, right? Catch your eye. But that's not the only thing, okay? Let me bring up something right quick. Let's talk about color psychology for a moment. So let's take a look at this color emotion guy, right? Now, I want to talk about this because I think it's very important, because this color psychology is being used on you every single day, right? Every single day, this is being thrown at you in your face, and you probably don't even realize it, right? Because each color invokes an emotion within your subconscious mind. It makes you feel a certain way. But in the real world, you got businesses like restaurants, McDonald's, Burger King. They all use these color schemes to make you feel a certain way. So it brings you into that business. So let's take a look at this color emotion guide here and see what they really mean. We have yellow here, means optimism, clarity, and warmth. Orange is friendly, cheerful, and confidence. And red is for excitement, youthful, and bold. And even my colors, take a look at my logo back there. What colors are they? Red, white, and blue, right? So red stands for what? Excitement, youth, and bold. And then blue stands for trust, dependable, and strength. So even my logo is using color psychology tactics. Okay, so let's talk about a few more little tricks that they use in their wording and some other things on this brochure that can be related to digital marketing as well, such as a website or whatnot. Okay, so let's take a look at the wording here. I'm going to give you a close-up as I talk on this brochure here so you can see what I'm talking about, but as low as $54.99, right? As low as. So when you read that, your subconscious mind is taking those words in, and that's making you say, okay, that's a low price. So that's being embedded in your subconscious mind. That is a low price. That's not bad. Okay, so that's just one little tactic here. Here's another one. And free shipping, right? Free. Everybody loves free, right? All right, it's free shipping. Okay, so let's take a look at these testimonials here. I bet you don't even realize that these people and what they're saying are really influencing your decision on whether or not you're going to buy this product. And it does. Let me ask you a question. Whenever you go to buy something, you want to buy something that you know, something that you want, something that's interesting, where do you go? YouTube, right? You go to YouTube, you type in that product name, and you type in review behind it, right? Yeah. And you go and see what everybody says. You watch a couple of videos, see what they think about it, and that is influencing your decision to buy that actual product. You're going to either say yes or no, depending on what those people say. Okay, here's another thing. When you go to Amazon right before you buy something, what do? You scroll down and check out the reviews, right? See how many stars it has, see what people are saying. Is this good? Is it bad? You check out both sides of the stories, and then you make a decision on whether or not you're going to purchase that product, right? So yeah, you can see that testimonials and reviews are very, very powerful. And we use these on our sales pages as well. So let's talk about power words. So there's about 3 power words on here. There may be more, but 3 that I noticed right off the bat, right? So number 1 is save. Everyone loves to save. Free. Everyone loves free. Guaranteed. Everyone loves guarantees, right? And one more over here, as low as. So all of these words are called power words, and they're going to be playing to your subconscious mind. In fact, I have a power words list that I have right here in front of me that I use on a daily basis when I'm writing emails or doing some copy on my websites or whatnot. So it's a very handy technique to use in your copywriting, right? Okay, so we're going to talk about one more thing on this brochure that is relatable, but you're also going to learn something about cotton, right? Remember at the beginning of the video, I said if you stick around to the whole video, you're going to learn something about cotton. Got this little banner here, right? And it says certified 100% Giza Egyptian cotton. And if we flip it on this side, it says 100% Egyptian long staple cotton. Now for the commoner that reads this, 100% Egyptian long staple cotton. Okay, I know what cotton means. I don't know what long staple cotton means. Egyptian, okay, I know Egyptian, I know Egypt. So think about that word for a moment. Okay, we're going to talk about what this is, Egyptian long staple cotton, but think about what Egypt means to you, okay? So using this terminology here, Egyptian long staple cotton, it's actually a coined term, but it's also getting into your subconscious mind as being an exotic type of thing, right? Because going to Egypt and visiting the Great Pyramids, if you've never done that before, would be an exotic vacation, right? So by using this terminology in here, it's invoking that feeling. Egyptian, wow, this is awesome. I've never been there. It's cool. This must be an awesome product. We're going to go to this website, and I want to explain to you the psychological factors of this by using this, because it may not mean exactly what they're saying. So here's what I mean. Let's take a look at this article here on this website. It says how much cotton is grown in Egypt. Now I'm not going to read everything on this page. I just want to make a couple of points. So I'm going to read a few things here, okay? So it says Egyptian cotton is booming in the past several years, okay? Towels, bed sheets, and now threads claim to be Egyptian cotton, and by name association alone, there is a correlation between quality and Egyptian cotton. So how much is grown in Egypt? Okay, so down here it says Egypt ranked number 20 in cotton growing countries by volume, and it's often said that 10 times as much Egyptian cotton is sold as what is actually grown. Now when you think about Egypt, you don't think about cotton at all, do you? Because it's a desert, it's dry. How are they growing cotton there? I didn't even know they could grow cotton there, right? So what this statement is basically saying is that Egyptian cotton is being sold more than is being produced in Egypt, which means what? Many years ago, the term Egyptian cotton became a generic term for long staple cotton. Just as we use the word Kleenex for tissues or Xerox for copying, the term Egyptian cotton was used for any long staple cotton grown anywhere in the world. Okay, as an example, a major thread manufacturer in Germany labels their thread as Egyptian cotton, even though the cotton crop used to make the thread is grown in and imported from Romania and surrounding countries. So basically, Egyptian cotton is just a generic term for long staple cotton. Because if it was grown in Egypt, that means it's going to be of a more higher quality cotton that has better strength qualities. Okay, so Egyptian grown extra long staple cotton threads will have strength qualities that other cotton threads won't have. So pretty interesting, right? So as you can see, we did some basic research to find out a little bit more information about something that they spoke about on their brochure here about cotton. So we learned some cool stuff. So the main point about this is, as long as it's long staple cotton, we know that that quality of thread is going to have some strength qualities that other threads will not. Okay, so I hope this little video helped you out to see how you can relate direct mail marketing to your digital marketing, and how you can use certain elements and techniques and strategies to really impact your business and move it up to the next level, right? I'm Ronnie Rokk Smith with USA Digi. Thanks for your time and interest, and guys, happy marketing. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed that free training. I really enjoyed creating it for you. So at this time, I have this very, very cool offer that I'd like to offer you. Okay, it's a new training product that I just created called Automation Secrets. And if you're having trouble during the day, like doing your digital marketing, and it's like going by slow and it seems like it's taking forever just to get one task done, I feel you. Okay, that's why I created this training. What it's going to do is teach you how to organize your business, whatever you possibly do in that day. I'm going to show you all the software that I use to help me automate it. I'm going to show you all the tools that I use in that training. It's called Automation Secrets, and it's really cool. So I'm going to be launching this product soon as a full-blown product of its own. Right now, it's just in my back end, okay? So the original price is $37 for this training, but what I want to do for you guys is knock off $10 right off the top. So here's what you do. Go ahead and click the button below. That's going to take you to the upsell page, right? It's just an upsell in my funnel right now. But like I said, I'm going to be launching it soon. So go ahead and watch the video, see what it's all about, check it out. But don't click on the buy now button. Go ahead, scroll all the way down on the page and look for the no thanks link. Click that link, okay? That'll take you to the downsell page. There you can get it for $27, so that's $10 off the regular price. Okay, cool. So that's how you get Automation Secrets at the discounted price. I know you're going to love this training, guys. It's going to speed up your workflow 10 times faster. So it's really cool stuff. All right, so I'm looking forward to seeing you in the training there.